Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be, I am going to be showing you what my mother got me from Spain. But I just wanted to show you I got this glitter dumpling. Don't know how long ago, but I just realised that it was a glitter. I thought that it was white. So just want to show you that, but also I have got two stuff to show you and I'm really excited. So first off, the second one's really good, but my mum got me a needle. Okay, let's open this. It's a Dr. Pepper, like Fanta one, Tapper tea one, I don't know, but Nido, nice cube. It says Nido on there, so I'm not lying. It says Nido on the box, I think, yeah. Nice cube. Don't know where it says it says Nido there. So nobody thinks that I'm duping anyone, because I'm not. I cannot. I don't know how to dupe. So that first thing that she got me, and she got me like a bunch of sweets. So I might post a video if this video gets a lot of likes. Then I'll post a video of me reacting to me reacting to the sweets. So if this gets a lot of likes, then yeah, I'll do it. I like putting it back in its case though. Okay. Don't know which way it goes. Oh, it's quite. Try and get into the box. Right, this is gonna take forever, so I'm just not gonna put it in the box. I'm just gonna leave it there as something just cool to have. It's just a nice cute thing that I've got randomly. Second thing, this will be good if I get the rare one. So let's hope that I get the rare one. Already. A glitter dumpling. It's the mini one. I think it's the sugar edition, the rainbow mystery sugar one, and I really want to get the golden glitter dumpling, but if I don't, I really want to get purple 100%, purple or blue, but I really want purple. I don't really want the gold one as much as the purple one. I just want the purple one, but I bet that this is going to be like red or green. I bet this is going to be red or green. Let's just hope I get the purple one or the glitter one or the blue one. Don't really care if I get the glitter one because I've already got a big one. I've already got a big glitter one. A big glitter one. But and I've got like 2 Nidos now. So I'm not that fussed about getting a really rare one because I kind of just want a purple one, a normal purple one. I think it does have glitter in it, every single one, but the one that's rare has got like just like, I don't know, just gold, I think. Yeah, it looks like that. So, what are those fingers? God. Looks like that. It only has 2 fingers. Okay, let's open this. Oh, tape. Pause the video while I struggle to get the tape off. Okay. So I got it. The tape off. So now I'm gonna open it. Okay, I want the purple one. I'll give it a tap. Put it on top of the big one. Oh, can't really see it. Put it on top of a Nido. Tap. Wow. I just plopped it on top of the Nido and the big one. Okay, I gave it the special tap. Please be a purple one, or what other colours are there? I wish there was like a pink. I don't think there's a pink. I wish there was. I think that I'm gonna get red or green, probably. Probably red or green, because I probably won't get. I never get what I want, so you guys look first. Wait, I'll put this on. Gosh, put this on so then I can't cheat. Okay, where are you? I better not look so stupid. Can you guys see? I don't know, but okay. Can you get purple? I got purple! Yay! Oh, it's so cute. So I don't think it's sugar then. One set sugar edition. I don't get what sugar means though. I think it's just like a. Did I pop it? Yeah, I popped it. Yay! I pop everything. Dang it. I still love it. Now, should I put like a suction or like a tape on it? Okay. Okay. Dry. I hope that it dries and like doesn't come undone. But I like keeping this on. So yeah. So yay! I got the purple one and it popped. So boo! Yay! So it's like a boo and a yay at the same time. I swear dumplings like always pop. I pop this one. I pop that one. Am I just gonna pop every single dumpling that I get? Or does anything else's dumplings do that? Just pop immediately when I get it. It's really annoying. But it doesn't really pop that like bad. Look at that. It doesn't really pop that bad. It just like really come out in a minute. So it doesn't really pop that bad. It just like has a little squirt. You know what I mean? It just has a little bit of a squirt. You know, it's got a little bit of a squirt and like a little bit of a pizzazz and something. So it's not really fun. Like, does anybody else's dumpling do that? Like immediately, because mine always do. But I talk too much. Okay, so bye guys. I'll see you whenever you watch my next video. Bye.